of the tanker guys. Made some progress, some of it off camera, some of it I videoed but then deleted when I formatted the SD card when I did the end caps here. But I did capture doing this gangplank, I'm going to call it, and the ladder. But this is the progress. Yep, it's all good. So I'll catch you up with a video clip on this top and I'll get back to you.
Class, you know, it's the most obvious thing. I can see what every one of you are doing, and if you get your head down and you're looking in your lap, pretty sure you're thinking. Class, you know, it's the most obvious thing. Please don't text in class. You know, it's the most obvious thing. Please don't text in obvious. You know, it's the most class. You know, please don't text in class. You know, where do you get that girly looking one? Please don't text in class. You know, it's the most obvious thing. Please don't text in class. See what every one of you are doing. Head down thing. See what every one of you are doing. Head. Come on.
up to, still working on this ladder. I'm going to put another rung here, even though the truck and Duel has 3 rungs. I put these too low and it doesn't look right, so I'm going to, instead of cutting these off and moving them up, I'm just going to put another rung in there, and that looks okay. That's close enough. So that's today's mission, is cut that down, tack that into there, and I'm going to do underneath, inside there where it's sculpted out. Excuse me. So I've got the cardboard template of that, which I think I showed you in a previous video. So we're going to transfer that to steel using this here, which is that's a drawer from an architect. I was working in a building, the building shared an office with an architect's, and this was in the dumpster one day. So it's a big steel drawer for architectural buildings. So dumpster dive, and we got a whole pile of those out. Yep, so that's what's going to be used under here, and probably also for the skirts. Alright, let's get on with it. there you go guys, this is where we're up to with this. It's looking pretty good now. Just mocking it up with the tractor unit to now that I've got that plate there, base plate. Now I've got to figure out exactly where to weld that fifth wheel coupling, and then I can start doing the skirts of the truck. I better go, I think I've got a visitor here, so I'll catch you on the next video. See you later.